Balik sa PBA, walang Junmar stopper. Iyan ang diretsahang pahayag ni Henry Galinato Jr. Tapos talunin ng San Miguel ang TNT sa finals. Ang ibang detalye alamin sa eksklusibong pag-abante ni Carlo Villaseñor.
Sports Now. Sports Now. Exclusive.
Hindi umiwas si Henry Galinato Jr. sa realidad matapos mabigo ang TNT tropang 5G sa finals laban sa San Miguel Beermen. Ayon dito, mahirap bantayan at lalong mahirap pigilan si Junmar Fajardo. Ang kay Galinato, walang tunay na Junmar stopper dahil ang kaya lamang gawin ng depensa ay limitahan siya hanggat maaari. Lalo't kinilala niyang si Fajardo pa rin ang pinakamahusay na manlalaro sa liga. Isa siya sa pangunahing itinapat ng TNT sa ilalim sa buong serye gamit ang pisikalidad, tamang pwesto at pag-aaral ng video upang mapabagal ang sentro ng San Miguel kumpara sa mga nauna nilang paghaharap.
Not a Junmar stopper, but like you can't stop Junmar. You just contain him as much as you can. Best player in the PBA. But like how I always say, I'm just so happy to play against a guy like that, and it's a learning experience. Last conference I was really bad against him, but this conference, just studied the film, everything, and just did whatever coach told me to do, and I'm just sorry the outcome wasn't what we wanted.
Gayunman, hindi nakayanan ng TNT ang maagang paglayo ng Beermen sa deciding game. Bagay na anya nagdulot ng matinding paghabol at pagod na nakaapekto sa kanilang tsansa. Sa kabila nito, itinuturing ni Galinato na mahalagang aral ang nakuha niya sa pagkikipagsabayan sa isang alamat at sinabing malaking bagay ang ganitong karanasan sa kanyang pag-unlad bilang manlalaro.
Our mindset was, give it all we got, it's our last, like how you said, do or die game, right? And we knew the pressure, but that lead at the beginning that they had really messed us up, and I think it got us exhausted, trying to catch up. And what we kept trying to preach at practice was like, why do we need to get hit first? And then we are always trying to catch up, But credit to San Miguel, they're an amazing team. Congrats to them, and hopefully next conference will bounce back.
Hindi man natapos sa kampyonato ang kanilang kampanya. Ginawang dagdag na motibasyon ni Galinato ang kabiguan. Plano muna niyang bigyan ng pahinga ang katawan bago bumalik sa ensayo na mas doble ang sipag. Dala ang paniniwalang hindi dapat siyang malamangan sa trabaho sa susunod na komperensya.
It's an import conference, right? Next conference, and it's the Commissioner's Cup. Big dudes. So coming into next conference, I'm just gonna take a little break right now. A few days off. Enjoy myself, rest my body, but I'm gonna come in, next week, training twice as harder because I really want to win next conference. And I'm gonna exert as much effort as I can to help our team as much as they need from me, and whatever I can provide for them. Come into the training camp, the mindset of I'm not gonna let anybody outwork me. That's what I've been wanting to do this whole conference, especially since it's all Filipino. It's anybody's game, right? Usually import conferences all import, but I'm gonna still try to be that defensive guy next conference as much as I can. But yeah, let's see.
Batid diyang mas mabibigat na hamon ang darating sa import conference, lalo na sa depensa sa loob. Ngunit nilinaw niyang mananatili ang kanyang identidad bilang masipag at pisikal na sandigan sa ilalim. Para kay Galinato, ang finals loss ay hindi katapusan, kundi panimulang gasolina para sa mas malakas na pagbabalik ng TNT. Ako si Carlo Villaseñor, Abante Sports, now na.